Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use Google Bard. So for those people who do not know what Google Bard is basically ChatGTP, but it is owned by Google, or it is created by Google. Alright, so for those people who know how to use ChatGTP, they can easily use Google Bard. But now you have to remember this: to use Google Bard you need to have access to it. But Google has only provided access to limited amount of people. I got chosen and I'm one of those people who have access to it. So let me show you how you guys can use it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. It's simple. You can just search for Google Bard just like this and it'll give you this result. You can click on the first link. Once you do that, it'll bring you to Google Bard over here. Now I have access to it, that's why I can type over here. Now just like this, it's ChatGTP. Alright, what you can do is where it says enter a prompt, you can ask any question you want. So let me say when was YouTube created? I'm just going to ask this, and what I can do is click on this button over here for submit. Once I do that, it's going to process some time and it's going to show me the result. So as you guys can see, the result is over here. Now I can click on this to say I love this result. If I do this, then I'm sending response to Google that this was not the answer I was looking for. Alright, and I can even click on it to Google it myself, or I can click on export response to export this response to any place I want. And if you want to reset chat, you can just click on it, click on reset, your entire chat will be resetted and it'll be clear just like this. And yeah, if you don't want to type, you can click on this microphone to use your microphone connected to your PC or a laptop to talk, and it'll type the question over here automatically. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use Bard. So for people who do not have access to Bard, it's going to show you this. So if you have this in your screen, you can just click on try Bard, and if Google selects you, you can use it. So it's all upon Google that whether they select you or not. So that's how you guys can use Google Bard. Hit that subscribe button to our channel One Step, and bye bye.